Hi, welcome to In Front of Computer, and today we are going to learn how to add text behind the subject. So here I got this photo and this is our subject. First you have to choose the layer panel and then just unlock or press Ctrl J to duplicate. And if you don't want to use the shortcut, then just right click on this and duplicate layer and OK. So this is your duplicated layer, and selecting this, go to select and then select subject. And now your subject will be selected, and then just click here this icon to mask. Very easy. And now we will add our text. So here select this type tool and then write something, focus. Now it's on the top of the layer. We can just increase the size of this font, or you can just press Ctrl T, transform, and then just increase the size. Okay, and this time you have to move this layer in the middle. Now you can see that the text is now behind the subject. Very easy. Okay, let's see another one. Here, this one, and the same way, just unlock this and just press Ctrl J if you are using Windows, and if you are using Mac, then Command J. And selecting this, go to select and then subject. And now Photoshop is very perfect to select the subject, and when it's selected, then just click this icon to mask. Oh, you've done your job. Now you can just click the type tool and write something here. Feeling better. Feeling better. Okay, I can just make some changes on this text. I can change the font. Suppose this one, and here I can decrease the size. And now just move this layer in the middle. Okay, now you can see that the text is behind the subject. Okay, see you in the next video.